Let's see if the dirt falls over after he cuts it.
Moved a little bit.
Trees moving. Get out of there. This tree's dropping. The weight of itself is pulling it down.
It's gonna go.
Is the dirt moving? Is the dirt moving?
Yeah, it moved.
Get out of there.
I am.
You can hear the tree.
Yeah, come on over here. Stand up. Hurry up and get across there. Hurry up, hurry up. It's got a lot of tension on it. Hear it?
Oh! Tree might go with it. Might not have broke it enough. It moved back like a foot.
I need, you hold on. I'm gonna get the spud bar.
I say you don't go near that tree.
I'm not gonna go down there. Moving?
Yes, it's still moving. Oh! The dirt was falling back more.
Was it?
Yeah. You're gonna wish you didn't do that when that tree comes up. Oh!
Did you get it? Woo!
Fell right back where it was. Look at that. It looks like you just chopped the tree in half when it was just sitting there. That's funny.
That's badass.
That is. Look at that.
Oh, shit. Aren't you glad you weren't underneath there?
Yes.
Back to where it was.
Yeah. It looks like it never even moved.
Now look here. Got a couple trees we got.
Yeah, that's a lot of firewood.
Oh, man. I'm glad that worked out like it did.
I barely got it.
Did you?
Yeah, I almost missed it. I was looking at you jumping up and down.
So you got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and turn it off.